Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Get small lawns in tip-top shape with the Mojo MJ401E, an easy-to-use electric lawnmower from Sunjoe. Compact and lightweight, the Mojo MJ401E is a lean, mean, and green mowing machine that quickly gets your yard chore done with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. Starting the Mojo is easy. Simply press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever, and its powerful 12-amp motor starts instantly. Equipped with a durable steel blade, Mojo cuts a 14-inch wide swath with each pass. Set your Mojo for short, medium, and tall grass blades by turning the mower on its side and adjusting the 4 wheels into the corresponding setting. Its 10.6-gallon hardtop rear bag conveniently collects grass clippings and detaches easily for quick disposal. And its rugged all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver in and out of tight spaces. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Mojo can be collapsed, so you can neatly store it without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Mojo is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. So ditch the gas, oil, noxious fumes, and pull cords, and experience an easier and more convenient way to get your yard work done. Mojo from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
To install the mulching plug, first grasp the mulching plug by its handle. Lift up the chute cover and insert the plug into the chute. The chute is at an angle, so a little force is required to fully insert the plug so that it is sealed. Be sure to remove the mulching plug in order to use the grass catcher bag. If the grass catcher bag is not in use, be sure to reinstall the mulching plug into the chute.